So how soon is the breastfeeding started after the
Okay.
child is born?
So for a normal delivery, as soon as possible, even within an hour. For a cesarean delivery, it could be a delayed lactation. मतलब वो
Okay.
टाइम लग सकता है. However, the concept of कि वो cesarean हुआ तो 3 दिन तक नहीं आएगा milk
Mhm.
is not so true.
It's a myth.
It's a myth.
Let's put it
So,
like that. Okay.
so yeah, because you have an anesthesia, so it's taking time
Okay.
for that lactation to
Mhm.
or your breastfeeding to come out.
Right.
But once that is shed off in a couple of hours,
Okay.
maybe 6 to 8 hours or 10 hours, um, that's where you use skin to skin, kangaroo mother care, breast crawl, ये सब करवाया है.
Mhm.
So it will start coming on the very first day in a couple of hours also.
Okay. Okay. So एक बात बताइए, आपने ऐसे मेंशन भी करा था when we were talking in a conversation कि जब जैसे ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग को लेके मेरे को ये ध्यान आ रहा है, suppose it's twins or it's a triplet and the first breastfeeding has to be done or आगे चल के भी breastfeeding होनी है. How is that process and is this complicated? Is this natural, simple? What is it like?
Yeah. So yes, when there are multiple babies, like it could be twins, it could be triplets. The mother is facing a lot of challenge
Right.
because she is all the time feeding.
Right.
In that case, there are concepts which are called as tandem nursing.
Okay.
Tandem nursing क्या होता है कि to start with, we start with and इन दोनों बच्चे या तीनों बच्चे में तीनों का वजन या दोनों का वजन बहुत डिफरेंट रहता है. मतलब
Right.
देयर इज अ डिस्क्रिपेंसी
बिल्कुल.
देयर. So
Right.
one baby might suck very well, one might be a little lower,
Okay.
one may be because the
More
weights are also
active.
different,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sucking patterns are there. So वो difference हो सकता है. So what we generally advise is कि पहले start with the baby which is sucking well, so that
अच्छा.
starts the
The
lactation
flow starts
process.
better. Okay.
Also put the other baby simultaneously.
Okay.
So in this, the sibling bonds are already made from there itself because वो बच्चा एक,
Sharing.
yeah, it's a sharing. So the stronger or the better baby is doing it, and then the other one is falling apart on whatever he's or she's getting from the twin or the
Right.
triplet. And उसके बाद जब time जाता है, when the mother and baby are prepared, one by one we start with over a period of 15-20 days or so, we train the mother to feed both the babies together. That is it
Achha,
could-
initially it's one by one.
to start with, because
Got it.
nobody's trained,
Got
right?
it.
Nobody
Right.
knows. The
Absolutely.
babies also don't know, the mother also
Right.
doesn't know.
Right.
So if we can introduce a tandem nursing early, well and
Why
good,
not?
but it's difficult in a
Difficult.
practical scenario,
Okay.
in a situation. So we
Okay.
start with one,
Mhm.
and each baby compensates for the other,
Okay.
and that's how it goes. And then we go on a tandem nursing where we teach the mother. So there also, like one baby is more comfortable or the other one is. So every feed, the mother keeps rotating the child. She goes on a different position. She can twin feed, like it could be a football and a cross cradle position. So one baby
Okay.
in a football hold, one in a
Acha.
cross cradle hold.
Okay.
So both the breast mothers are feeding together. And
Okay.
so once the mother's comfortable with both the babies and she's
Right.
confident, that's when we start a tandem nursing. So the lady finishes the meal fast. Like
Right.
she finishes the feeding pattern
Right.
fast, and the bachos finish the meals fast. So there's gap for the woman to do her other daily activities. At the same time, the babies are well fed and they get their sleep patterns and everything also.
So basically, as a lactation expert, you train them for this
Correct.
purpose.
Correct. So we train them on tandem nursing, and there are a couple of women who, there are many women who are doing it, and then they also know that sometimes this baby is done better than the other one, and they just switch. So
Okay.
once you switch, and I'm not saying switch in between the feed. What my point
Yeah.
is, finish one breast and only go to the next one, so that all your foremilk, जो आगे का दूध है, and the
Yeah.
hind milk, which is the back milk. So water followed by food. A full nutrition is going to the child. So I think it compensates well, and twins are always, or triplets are always well bonded since.
This is amazing कि आज के दिन में, आज के दौर में, we have young doctors and there is also like lactation experts जो आपको सिखा देते हैं. Otherwise it was always left to natural instinct जैसा हो, it was harder earlier days, right?
Yeah.
Blessed generation, I must say. So coming to breast milk, are there any other things you would want to specify regarding breast milk?
So with breast milk, it's the ultimate nutrition of the child. Your first 2 years of a child's life are your maximum brain development happening. So in that lactation, as a pediatrician, we see it not just as milk, but it's the ultimate nutrition where your brain
Exactly.
development is happening, your oxidative stresses are going, everything that the child needs for the brain development is in the milk. It's a full balanced diet with water and caloric content. It has absolute amount of immunoglobulins,
Right.
which gives you immunity to the child. उसके अंदर प्रोटीन्स, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट कॉम्पोजिशन भी प्रॉपर रहता है. And you don't actually need anything beyond that. And every mother is always producing enough for the baby. There are more so mental stressors
हाँ.
which generally don't allow, or then there are sometimes, yes, when the mother's suffering from an illness or the baby's suffering, and those are pathological problems. Other than that, most of the women are majority women and children do well with yes, we are
Mother's
seeing
milk.
problems, but then there's no as such production problems or things. So breastfeeding is the best nutrition, and then maybe you can suffice it with formulas or whatever, but first should be this.
Yeah.
Up
The first
until-
priority
Yes.
should be breastfeeding.
Yes, yes.
And like इतने सारे podcast के बाद, I think this I would also like to add from my side कि you know like we keep repeating because एक बहुत beautiful sentence use हुआ था हमारे podcast में that parenting वो भक्ति है जिसके लिए शक्ति चाहिए.
True.
So mentally be strong, be
Yes.
prepared for motherhood, and when you are prepared, bring the baby into the world.
Mm.
And one of the things breastfeeding initially can be intimidating, right?
Yes,
It can
yes.
be overwhelming क्योंकि सारा
Yes.
टाइम आप छोटे बच्चे के लिए यही कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
Nappy change करा, breastfeed करा, सुलाया, फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद. But please go ahead and do it because this is what makes your child strong,
Yeah.
immunity wise,
Development
wise, emotion wise. every way.
Secure attachment,
Yes,
mother and
yes.
child bond.
So please give importance to breastfeeding.